You saying I'm not ashamed, I call my teacher if you not, I'm not ashamed. If me the teacher go, you run or left me. When you did that, when them did that diss me upon the integrate and say me treat you bad, I'm a abuser. I said, do it. Remember enough things they do me, I'm not tell nobody, you know. Go and stand up for your wife. And he said, me, no, go back for now.
Hey, what's up YouTube, Duttyberry here, and welcome to another Countdown Quickie where I talk about a trending topic in a jiffy. Now today it is all about Queenie and Dewey, the on and off again couple. It seems as if there really is trouble in paradise. Like I was rooting for them. I love the little antics and the little festivities that them go on with. But based on how things are unveiled on social media, maybe it is really best that they just depart and they go on their individual journeys. So Queenie went on Instagram and she has been airing out just like how she's feeling what has been going on with Dewey, and this is just some of what she shared on her latest live.
Early Monday morning, old. When I am out of your life, freedom. Reasonable argument that. I am sorry for taking you out of your country, Jamaica. After the divorce, you can go back home to your normal happy life. So me message you that after you say, you gotta take me career. Then you say, I am home, stupid. LOL. You brought me here. It took me 31 years, crazy, cause my name crazy. It took me 31 years, crazy. I said, okay. Then I said, really? I brought you here. I thought I only took your soul and disrespect you, cause I'm the world's only and most disrespectful woman. It takes one stupid to know another stupid. That's my reply. Sleep tight. Me need the gram for myself like you. Crazy Queenie. Remember, me is a cruff. Me no old meds, me worthless. Me no have no shame, just like you. The way you shame me, me no have no shame. Oh, you think me and you quit? Me no have no shame, just like you. Oh, you taught me. Oh, me not taught you. So you saying I'm not shame, like come my teacher if you not have no shame. If me the teacher go, you run or left me. When you did that, when them did that diss me upon the integrate and say me treat you bad, I'm a abuser. I said, do it. Remember enough things they do me, I'm not tell nobody, you know. Go and stand up for your wife. And he said, no, go back for no gram. You have to delete your page too. So when you come show off for me, remember, I make you famous. I make people love you. I make people respect you. I put in a June plum. I make you have 50,000 followers, so I'm free 3,000 followers. I make you fly per plane 3 times in a 6 months. You slide per silver suitcase. So you dish my blood clot there because I look at airport argument or whatever you have me up for and could talk. And you left me long blood clot time. I'm enough to behave some. On the go ya. My behave and feel satisfied. I lose, but I win for behave back over behave. So because my behave, I win. So leave me alone. All right. Wait say again now. So you say sleep tight. Oh, this is my reach. So you say you not have no shame. Just say like how I talk here. Me and you, Queen, thank you for bringing me home. I'm say you're welcome. So at least you tell me thanks like how I tell you thank you for married to me. That nice. As some say, let's go, baby. Ready for you to end my career. Join the club. He said, no, baby, I'm starting you off with a no. No, with a no. One, no lie. No lie, just like you finish me off to the people them and you're royal crazy. Let's see if the world love you for the truth. Queen Lady Gangster there. Or live you want live, me I go give you live, baby. You compete with me. You want to give me live? She's a lying. But them say me a lie, she's lying royal crazy. That him say me a lie? Do you know say you try mind fuck me? You know say all me I say you idiot, you're not idiot. You try mind fuck me because you know say you text me I read. Because I couldn't read half of my brain, so. But you want me show them. So why you gonna say she's lying royal crazy? Because you want me show them, so you press me. So you have somebody behind you, I write down notes and say, see there? See there, she go back for life. See there, she read out you something. May I press blood clot button when me ready. You said me lose, everybody get this. You said me lose, me take press. You said me lose, me not give a flying fuck. You see my husband, where run again left blood clot me. Me done every blood clot thing when me can done for feel better about myself. So come to blood clot, me come tell me what a lie me I tell. A lie me I tell? Do if I this to make your blood clot rate me and respect me, that not gonna make you rate me and respect me because you done blood clot hate me and your people them done blood clot come to conclusion already. And so because me know that, me fuck up every blood clot and me now look for no blood clot sympathy. You hear that? Remember when you call me and said to me this evening, you know?
Alright, don't worry. Oh, but the blood clot, that's it for the network on my thing. Don't worry, do you have no blood clot secret for me?
So you press me. It's because I'm a husband, may I give what you want. You're right. May I have more for play. Remember when you called me this evening, the first thing you said to me, say, you want to know if everything all right? I say, what do you mean? You want to know if everything all right, because you want to know if you go there in England, you go all right for there on the place. So I say, what does that mean? You say, if I don't know? I say, I done long time. Me not have no time for that. Me not go get up every day and cuss somebody when I cuss me, war for somebody when I war for me. So how now you tell them royal crazy she's lying? You look blood clot, attention, don't mind you. Chat shit on my blood clot ear. You just have piss me off the fuck. Why you touch me for do it? Don't leave me alone, do it. Leave me alone. Please. Me do what me want to do for my own, do it. Leave me alone, do it. Please, me I beg you. Remember for all this, me I beg you see me, you know, the vice here, you know. Me say, do it. You say anything me do? Forgive me. Me don't know what else to do. I'm confused and I give up. Me say your grandmother when me get her name, honor and forgive me. Make if you leave, do you leave in peace? And you can call me and me can call you and say my husband, I miss you. Do it, I beg you. Come on. And the way you say to me, say, you don't talk now, go on back in the house now. I say, never know the blood clot can't hold the attack to people and girl. Remember, do it. Remember, good now, baby. And you say, no, you're going now. I say, when you go, take your freedom, baby. Me I torture you do it. Me say, me love you too much for seeing a happy around me. It's true. Me love do it too much for see do it. I do me them little profile on stage and then when everybody attack him happy. Come on. You deserve better. You don't deserve me. I'm too old for you. I'm too smart. I'm too speedy. Me too loud. Me too disgraceful. And because I love you, I leave you. So regardless, my cuts to let out my steam. Me no want to provoke you. And that's the God Almighty truth. Me no want to antagonize you, do it. Me no want to look like the saddest cow, because me is not the saddest cow. I miss the fact, the fact that you're gone, it hurt me, it burned me. And that's the truth. Yeah? Leave me alone, do it. This too shall pass. Do you make your choice? You leave, and fourth time you running from me now. Me no want no more of that. Me stay by myself. You say me see you run with you, but I say, this is getting beyond the joke. Come on. You want me feel bad and drop down like me the worst woman. Me not do nothing. All me I say to you say, come on. Your brethren attack. And you and argue because him say I go quote and him want money and pence. You say you go send me the money and him this year and I say this. And I say, me never know say you come to England for work and send money go give brethren at Jamaica for go a quote. You go say me met the man this year. So what me for me met the man blood clot this year? Never had this year before me your wife. You got to tell me, you say you hear me and talk with me. You can't tell me that. Me your fucking wife and me go defend you. It is embarrassing. When you come back over here at trouble me for, leave me alone, do it. Come on, do it. Be respect. Remember another voice note what you say now? Yes, me say you for be a man, and you be a man now, but you still not show me what you be a man with. Me say, what you want to be a man with? You say, may I try to take away your soul of your manhood. Then you say,
everything. Okay, go to that.
this is so embarrassing, you know. If me have a husband and before him talk to me, him continue to provoke me, you know. Do it. Jesus Christ, do it. Are you train your button, you know, do it. Do it, leave me alone, you know, do it. Do it, me beg you, you know, do it. I mean, I shame, you know, I'm busy, embarrassing, you know, do it. I said, do it. You give me a name. I'm surprised when you say you are married to me. Now you come. You tell me you don't want to stay here. I'm too. Whatever you ask, the little stupidness them. Bare little stupidness me you argue. For me, I say, no, this man have no feelings for me. This man gone off for me. Come on. I'm a day here do it. Me not tell nobody per internet. When me see I scrub and I go out with the same attitude, every man who wake could tell one another morning. And that's it. Nothing else not good for the day. Morning. If we do talk 1 and 2 times, come on, do it. And when I get here and I say to you, say, brother, this is a disgrace. Don't make the people them win. So don't put all upon me, darling. Don't put all upon blood clot me. Me in a business. You know, ask so much money make. You know, look on it. You know, check nothing. What the blood clot me no must call your cuff. You know, business with nothing. Me and you one. And me and your progress here, you know. Crazy. Me no want you know, do allow me. Do we every time remember some things. So you mind alone per internet. Do we leave me alone? You say crazy. It better, it better I go on my ways because me more prosperous. I'm say, but do it. Look how much prosperous and success since me there with you. So you know, take gratitude for where the power where me you get. You say no crazy. It better if you if my break up because you always have said me I hold it down. Hold it down when you have blood clot cuss you, but what I'm doing what you see for yourself. Do we leave me alone and not do it? Leave me the fuck alone and not do it. Do it. You saw the people them class me and disrespect me. I'm all the time defend myself and you not defend me. Do it low blood clot me. I don't know why you want mad me. Because I'm not stop you from doing what you're doing a baby. If you all of the girl I promise your baby you not do it. Me tell you go and go get your baby them come. Me not care come in again and that's God Almighty blood clot to do it. I'm in a business figure want to get 100 baby kind of me and mind blood clot them. And I might pussy a skin out. And I may forget up and make breakfast for them. I can't get up and fret about man and blood clot baby because anybody have baby all them I go say a queen husband baby. And whatever when I get behind that have nothing to do with blood clot me. And by law, my husband child supposed to be me, my responsibility as well. But me not take up blood clot that can take away your soul. So no allow me, you know. And allow me. It is embarrassing. The whole of my family them turn against me. I love this. I said, do it. All my family them turn blood clot against me because of this. Do it. I'm going through a lot. Do it. I mean, if you expect me to lock up in the house and mad. But me there here, I'ma make sure not trouble you. From me say my peace Tuesday, my love blood clot you. Leave me alone do it. Stop provoke me do it. You don't want to be with me, you don't want me do it, you don't love me no more, you don't care about me do it, leave me baby. Me still a give you little props, darling. Me still a say to you, say do it. Me said do it. Remember we're married, remember you give me a name. I beg you, baby, do leave me alone, do it. Me a cross in that Dexter that say, low blood clot me. You hear me? Leave me. Oh, it's so fucking, I wonder, this can't be real. Oh, what's up? You know, the people that married life fight for foolishness? No, sir. Never see this. This get out of hand, man. And nobody can talk to you. Come take chat, you know, look how me not pay no mind. Come on, man, low me, man. Where you want to size up back with me for low blood clot? If you want to size up, size up. Where you touch on my brain, sir? And I keep me in a suspend, the live at end. Let's up on itself. Leave me alone. Leave me the fuck alone. Queenie is so nice.
Wow. So, I mean, I think Queenie knows what time it is right now. I think she knows the decision that she really wants to make. And I feel like Dewey knows where he wants to take him life. So, I'm just like, yo, do any need for do una big people. You go left, she go right. As long as you just keep it moving. And just lower this level of toxicity. Because yeah, it not serve either on any good right now. Okay, so Burritos, I'd love to hear from you. Did you feel as if this is where the relationship would have come to the minute you heard that they were going to get married? What do you make of Queenie's lives and what do you think of how Dewey has been acting? Sound off in the comment down below. All right, that is the countdown quickie where I talk about a trending topic in a jiffy. Take care. Ta-ta.